Panoorin mo.
Ah, sige. Ako?
Bakit? Inin!
Bakit?
Panoorin mo yung sinend ko, pero huwag mo end yung call. Nakakita niyo na ba?
Wala pang nare-receive eh.
Wala, wait lang. Okay na.
Wala pang nare-receive.
Okay na nga.
Hi Rachel and Hannah. Hope to see you soon. God bless you. Mag-ingat ka palagi.
Po, manonood sila ng concert niya sa Singapore.
Oh my God! Kasi sila yung dalawa?
Hi Rachel and Hannah. Hope to see you soon. God bless you.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Okay, may nga. Hi, Rachel and Hannah. Oh my God! Hindi na makaya.
Uy.
Basta si Mami, nagtiro mabas para kumuha ng salamin. Sister? Kaya po yung ulit. Isa pa. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh my gosh, dito ako. Sorry.
Hi Rachel and Hannah. Hope to see you soon. God bless you.